She has outstanding marketing skills. So magiging asset din siya ng PNL, di ba?
Narinig mo sinasabi? Impressive resume? Outstanding skills? What about her character, Lorena? Mas importante yung kaysa sa husay niya. And don't patronize me na hinire mo under PNL na minamanage mo. We are one company, Lorena!
Ibig ko lang naman sabihin, sa akin siya magre-report eh. Love, alam ko may misunderstandings kayo. Alam ko yun. Pero baka pwede muna natin isang tabi yung personal sa trabaho.
Misunderstandings? Is that all that is? Misunderstandings lang yun? Hindi lang misunderstandings yun. Paano mo nasabi na hiwalay ko ang personal? She loves messing with you! With me! With our entire family! Hindi ko talaga maintindihan itong desisyong munto eh. And you know where I stand tungkol kay Ronnie. So hindi ko na paano mo nagawa lahat ng to. Behind my back. I am not okay with this, and I will never be okay with this.
Sige lang, mag-away pa kayo. I'd love to see your relationship crumble. At ikaw naman, galit na galit ka pa rin sa akin? Fine, I'll take that. Because once you learn the truth, siguradong mas kamumuhian mo yung asawa mo.